Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 best streaming apps for Firestick. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, Netflix is one of the most popular streaming apps for Firestick. It offers blockbuster movies, trending TV shows, Netflix originals, anime, documentaries, and smooth, high-quality streaming support. At number 2, Amazon Prime Video gives you access to exclusive Prime originals, Hollywood movies, popular TV series, live sports events, and a large collection of entertainment content. At number 3, Disney Plus is perfect for watching Marvel movies, Pixar films, Star Wars series, Disney classics, and family-friendly content with excellent streaming quality on Firestick devices. At number 4, Hulu provides trending TV shows, Hulu originals, live TV options, and a huge entertainment library for users who enjoy daily streaming content. At number 5, YouTube TV lets you stream live channels, sports, news, and entertainment, while also offering cloud DVR support for recording programs. And that's it for this video. Thanks!